Let me just go down this road a little bit. See, those are contrails, or are they wires? They're wires. I can't tell. I don't know if the car's taking a shortcut, because I know if you go straight, there's another road ahead. That's interesting. It made me a little bit nervous. I don't know. I just was dying to stop. Just to get a view of the road I'm on. The country I'm at. You see the dust left from that car. To see the desert. It got down to 38 degrees on my car thermometer. It seems pretty cold. I'm getting little signal issues. Not terrain. I wonder if I don't know why I'm getting signal issues. Still have a little bit of signal issues going on. Probably too cold for reptiles, so I don't have to worry about snakes. Not too cold for rabbits. Lots of bottles around. Little rocky ridge outcrop. Plateau, mesa. bit of a signal issue here. Not too bad though. Some pixelation though. Now I'm down to 1 bar, backed up to 2. I want to go up to avoid the issue, but I certainly don't want to go into the wires. Well, it's nice to take a 10-minute break. Nice to stretch my legs out. Got a little bit of hot sun on me, but a little bit of cold breeze on me at the same time, so kind of wishy-washy. Well, come back and land it. Get back on the road. Got a full tank of gas from Flagstaff. Making good time, making better time than I thought. This is the largest stretch of driving I have on any of my adventure days. I've been at the same hotel for 3 nights. So I had kind of a break from driving. And go to Moab today, and then from Moab I'll go to what's it called? Home. But that's the shortest stretch of driving I have, and through the Moab area and following the Colorado River. I guarantee you, I'm going to take my time. I hate to land because I have battery left. 24%. It's time to land though. Going back into return to the home again. Don't land in the horse manure.